So today I would like to explain you a little bit how you can use the technique which I explained for international Latin dancers in different styles like salsa, mambo. Let's today focus on salsa. So everybody know the salsa basic walk, but if you don't know, very, very simple. So you go left leg going forward, then you're replacing back with the right leg, and then you close to change weight. And then the same happens from behind. Right leg back, left leg front, right leg together. And the same. Left, right, left, right, left, right. So if you look from the side, we have basically the feeling is like we're rocking from the front, then we close legs together to change weight, and then we're rocking from the back, closing legs here. So let's do exactly the same from the reverse angle. Back and together, together, and front, back together, back, front, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basic walk of salsa is super simple. So basically it's 6 steps. So you're going front, back, close, back, front, close. And then the timing is 1, 2, 3, and on 4 you're kind of holding, taking your time. And then going 5, 6, 7, holding 8. So you hear people who dance salsa a lot, they count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So they make a few counts silent. So 1, 2, 3, silent on 4, 5, 6, 7, silent on 8. So this is a basic walk. And I have a lot of requests from people who do salsa a lot, how they can apply these techniques from international Latin. So what I see for salsa, even on the very high level professionals that dance, especially the guys, girls a little bit better, it's that it's only become a step and the patterns. So if I look at the whole couple and the man is turning the girl, it looks very beautiful, very nice. But if I look only at the body, there is not much happening. So most of the guys, they just bend their knee and they just doing this step, and all they do is they're leading the girl, but there is no body activity, body rhythm, and also the leading sometimes is only the arms, where it's also recommended to use a little bit body. So let's do just small little tips how to make your salsa look better. So when you're doing your step 1, 2, 3, instead of thinking legs, try to think body action. So what is body action? So do this little exercise, change weight from side to side and release your shoulder towards the hip. Release. This is a famous Cuban motion. Shoulder connects to the hip as we change weight. And as our shoulder connects to the hip, our hip starts to go back. Boom, boom, right here. So now we don't have really steps, but we're changing weight and we have a little bit activity in the body. Also for the man, it's possible to use a little bit more, engage your rib cage from side to side. So to create a little bit more feel inside your body. So now when you're taking a step, instead of thinking, okay, my left leg going forward, think of the opposite side of the body action, like you squeeze, rotate, and let your rib cage initiate that, and then you step. So it looks like this, and step, rather than step, and step. Once you're in this step, instead of thinking step, replace, you're gonna more focus on shoulder to hip connection and squeezing under your armpits here, and in. So a little bit body activity. 1, 2. So again, we have and 1, 2, and on 3, instead of simply just close your leg, you're gonna squeeze your shoulder to hip. 3, 4. So you're gonna dance that silent count, which I already mentioned. So you're gonna look like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And exactly the same for the back. So instead of just going back, front with the flat body, we're gonna have that and breathing of the body, and we're going back front through the action, not only through the using our legs and feet. Action, action. 5, 6, 7, and instead of silent holding 8, we're gonna squeeze and melt down. And of course you'll say, oh, salsa music is very fast. So these actions could be very fast too. So do this little exercise with your back as you change weight, and you can do a round. So even no matter how fast music, you still can use your body rather than only legs. So this will be number one priority. And then the next, as you're already dancing with the girl, you can use that body action and let your body spin the girl, lead the girl through almost like a wave feeling rather than only arms. Okay, so follow this tutorial. If you would like to learn more, please join my learning platform, dancewitholeg.com. You'll find a lot of courses, programs, and helpful exercises and dancing secrets. See you in the next lesson.